Hello everyone, welcome back to GlobeTech Learning Academy YouTube channel. From today class, I will continue the modify tool panels of remaining part. Now let's get started. For the initial, I am selecting the line command. I am making a reference line for the fillet option. We can also use the fillet option for the wall thickness option also in 2D plans. Now I am selecting the fillet option and I am now selecting the radius option. I am now giving 150 as a radius. Like this we can provide the fillet option. This represent we call as a fillet. Drop down the fillet option, we found out 3 options. Next option is chamfer. I am selecting the distance and I am giving the 150 as distance of chamfer distance. Select the first line and select the second line and select the first line, select the second line. This representation we call as a chamfer distance, chamfer fillet, and drop down that. Next option is bend curve. Select the bend curve and select the first line and select the second line. Select the first line and select the second line. Select the bend curve and select that vertex point. We can stretch like this. How much stretch we want, we can stretch like this. This is called as fillet option. Next is the stretch option. I'm selecting a stretch. I'm pressing the enter and I'm giving the stretch command. Select the option and making the stretch command like that. It will not go. And another option is select that line and select that vertex point and make how much different distance you want. You can make the stretch line. Is it not working? It's okay. And next option is scaling. For that I'm selecting the object and press enter and give the scaling distance. How much height you want, you can make it, and select the object and select this scale. You can also select decrease the scaling or increasing scaling like this. And next one is the array option. For that initial I am giving the circle and drop down the array. We found 3 options of array. First one is a rectangle array. I am selecting the object and press enter, and the columns we can give the number of columns. Now I am giving 6, and rows also I am giving the 6. Between distance, that is the center to center distance, we can give the increasing number also like this and press enter. This is going to represent called as rectangle array. Next is the path array. For that I am making the path line and making a circle object. Drop down the path array and selecting path array. First select the object. Next they are asking a path line. I am selecting the path line. This direction we have to like this. This is the path array. Next option is polar array. For that I am selecting the circle. Now I am selecting the polar array. Selecting, press enter, selecting the center point, and I am giving the number of rows, increasing number. Now I am giving the 5 numbers, and rows also, columns like this. This representative called as a polar array. I am increasing the polar array numbers and press enter. This represent we called as a polar array.